9:30 game 1, and we just had 10:16 game 2. So at that rate of improvement, we're on pace to shoot 1090 this game. So if we don't shoot 1090, then it's not our fault.
How's your guys' team doing?
We're actually doing really well. We shot 1040 the first game and like 990 the second game. Brandon Curtis has spare sheet, 580 for 2, so he's holding us up.
We bowled 3,007, so kind of our goal to bowl 1,000 a game. We got off the rough start. We've only bowled 900 the first game, but we were able to come back with 2 good ones and get to at least our goal. So now we're going into Baker, and we got to keep up the pace and hopefully bowl at least 250 or 300 over at least in the Bakers. I don't know. I have no idea where we're at in standings right now, but I feel like if we do that, we should be at least fairly close to winning this thing.
Finished our 3 games of team. Now we have 6 games of Baker. We're 525 over. Mikey was the low man with 669. Chris was high man with 774. Very consistent. 250s across the board. I had 240 across the board. I don't know if I'm happy or mad about that. So I shot 730. Kevin has 740. So I think we're doing okay.
You see how many points that lane has?
No, I don't really want to know.
The one we finished on? 3,005.
Is that a lot?
That's 605 over.
That's a lot.
For all the people that have bowled that line.
So that was a good pair.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, six Baker games should be exciting. We should be pretty good for the brackets.
I think we're in the mix.
Yeah, we should be in the mix. Let's go. Our guy, John O'Matic. He's here watching the 10K. I'm bowling the team event right now. We're actually bowling pretty good. How's this experience for you so far?
This is actually a really good experience. This is my second year coming here watching it, so next year I'm going to be bowling in it.
Nice.
So yeah,
right on.
I'm going to bowl in it next year, so yeah.
Cool, cool.
Make sure you guys, subscribe to the Steve's channel, because everything that he does is absolutely insane. It's awesome. And well, you might be able to get on a vlog like this.
Exactly.
So
Right on, bro. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, no problem.
We have 2 Baker games to go. We're 120 over for the 4, 650-ish over.
I have no clue what that says about 6.
I don't know where that puts us. Apparently before the last game we were in 3rd.
We were in 3rd going into Baker.
Oh, going into the Baker. Okay. Oh, all right. We're going okay. Yeah, 2 more games. Hopefully, top off at least 500. 550 would be even nicer. 600 would be really good.
600 would be cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going. I gotta stop splitting. I gotta hit the pocket more. That will help the team. All right, we just wrapped up the Baker games. I think we're a hard stuck 2nd place. The guys that were leading shot 300 game 5 of Baker, and that put them ahead of us by like 120. We only shot 230, but we bowled 220 the last game. Funny enough, I accidentally bowled in the wrong spot, so I had to anchor, and I ended up striking every shot, so it worked out. We bowled 225. Like I said, should be 2nd place. We'll see if we won some side stuff, but solid day overall. We're gonna collect our money, and then get some food, go to sleep, get up early, do it all over again in the AM. We start bowling at 9 AM Eastern. I don't know if there's any kind of live stream, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And from Mikey and I in the parking lot of the bowling center, we are out for the night. Peace.